I'm at Plaza de España in Seville, Spain, where I've just finished the first leg of my cross-Europe bike trip from Lisbon. Lisbon was a really beautiful and interesting city full of history. Unfortunately, with how I planned things on Easter weekend, then I didn't manage to connect with any science museums there, but had a great time seeing around the town. Biked out to Cabo de Roca, the westernmost point of Europe. Hi, I'm at Cabo de Roca in Portugal, the westernmost point of Europe. Behind me is the Atlantic Ocean. Ahead of me is the continent From there, planned a bit of an ambitious day and a half down to Lagos, 230 kilometers away. Normally it should have been fine, but with headwinds and with I guess a late night in Lisbon to catch a Fado concert. That's traditional Lisbon Old Town music, which you'll hear accompanying the stop motion and photos for this leg of the trip. Hopefully you feel it was worth me staying out late that night to catch that music. I'm a little on the fence, but made it down to Lagos safely by mid-afternoon and met with Sara at the Centro de Ciencia de Lagos, and she showed me a number of activities, filmed a cool one on microplastics, and she also talked me through some things on natural pigments, as well as their Sands of the Worlds collection, which is maybe twice as big as our Sands of the Worlds collection in my school in Paris. So quite impressive, and especially that they're planning to grow it soon with the Citizen Science Initiative, where they're going to be inviting people from around Portugal and around the world to send in different sand samples. So it'll be really cool to check out how that works out. The next day, biked to Faro to visit their the other Centro de Ciencias Vivos de Algarve. It's part of the national network, which is, well, I said sister museum. There, Emanuel showed me around the museum, showed me a number of cool activities. Unfortunately, I was kind of tired with the face infection. As you may have noticed, one side of my face is kind of swollen. I didn't have the energy to film anything that I want to edit there, so that's really my fault rather than the museum. I'm sorry to disappoint the museum. I'll include some photos and maybe a tiny bit of video at the end of this video. But yeah, sometimes things just don't work out great. The next day left Faro, heading towards Portugal. Pretty cool eco via through the wetlands there of the Ria Formosa. Kind of slow at times, but nice. Crossed over by ferry into Spain. Went to the hospital yesterday in Huelva to get this checked out. Took a train to Seville this morning, and now I'm just going to drop off my bike and head back to Paris. Come back here in another week and a half, and the journey continues. Thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing in my adventure. Enjoy the Fado.
Vivi púrpura. Se havia do seu passado